Next slide. All right, so this is just a brief illustration of what a trust looks like. A revocable living trust is when you're alive, you create the trust. You are the trust maker. We put your instructions. That's the top square there, rectangle, and then we create the trust. We fund it with assets. So again, we got to put gas in the car for it to run. Remember, so we need to put assets to the trust in order for it to work, because the trust only has authority over the assets that it controls. So we would change your bank account into the name of the trust. Your homestead, I prepare the deed. We file it with the county. Make sure your house is in the trust. Again, if you have investment accounts or life insurance with Mauricio and his firm, we coordinate with him, make sure that we change title to those assets into the trust. Now the trustee has legal authority over all these assets and to follow your instructions. The bottom two squares or rectangles is after you pass away, the trust now cascades into trust for your children, or if you don't have kids, whoever your beneficiaries are going to be. And now after you pass away, these trusts become irrevocable trusts, which means you can't change them anymore. They're set in stone. So while you're alive, you can change the trust, you can amend it, you can do whatever you want as long as you're alive. It's revocable and amendable. But after you pass away, that's it. You can't change them anymore because you're deceased. They become irrevocable, but they become asset protected for your children or whoever your beneficiary is. So again, this is just a brief illustration of what the trust looks like. The first phase is you're alive, you put your instructions, you can amend it, you can control it, and we have to fund it with assets. And phase two is on the bottom. After you pass away, the trust now becomes irrevocable. We can't change it, it's set in stone, but it's asset protected for your children or whoever your beneficiaries are. All right.